Easy peasy.
Oh, hell yeah.
Master loot on?
Dirty, but yes, that's a kill.
Just checking out for you, buddy.
There it is.
Thor needs a res.
Yeah, res Thor.
I'm far up against a wall on the
Is that
west
the
side.
last one?
It is.
It is.
Jerry's at the back.
That's north.
Rats, man.
Val. People, we need to be here on Friday so that we can get a Val, okay?
Alright, let's make this bitch.
I'm a soul stone gold if that's alright.
Wait, North, you can make it right now?
You form it into the quest item.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Object identified. Val'anyr, Hammer of Ancient Kings. Created by the Titans themselves, Val'anyr was given to the first Earthen King, Yrel Stoneheart. With the hammer he was to create and give life to the rest of his brethren. Val'anyr was shattered during the First War between the Earthen and the Iron Dwarves. The weapons remnants were believed lost in the conflict. Probability of successful repair by ordinary means available in this world is close to nil. Please hold while theoretical means are analyzed. Powerful acidic content theoretically found inside the being known as Yogg would account for the liquefaction of ceramite. Submersion in this substance might be sufficient to rebind an alloy of Titan origin.
After the mess you made with the XT002.
There it is.
We've got to keep up cleave on these ads big time, people. Big time. Keep them going.
Warlocks, you don't need to be facing the boss to seed, so if we need cleave, we can cleave with seed.
Don't forget your hammer thing, North.
Hammer, chuck it in.
Sorry, I missed it to throw my thing in.
Okay, no more. Just don't suck anymore, okay?
Come on, you gotta throw it in.
Camel, watch
Yeah,
your
me.
sanity, just turn around, don't even...
Just
Val'anyr,
get
the
in
next
between
one.
the boss
Camel,
and the
just
ads
turn
and-
around, don't be facing boss, or...
Camel, just put yourself in between the ads and the boss and just focus on killing ads. Never face the boss alone. Can we tank these a little bit away again?
Away?
Just
Yeah,
a
No.
Kill camel, kill camel.
No, no, no,
Kill
no,
him,
no, no,
kill
not
him,
that
kill
far.
him, kill him, kill him.
So, we want melee in between ads and the boss.
I thought I had him pretty good.
Yeah, this is great.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, now we're really good, yeah.
Roar's coming up north.
Chuck it!
I'm spamming, boys.
I did.
He's not.
Fuck. We have B-res from
Put it
Ez.
in its mouth.
If we have a B-res, get mezzes up.
Another app.
I got it.
Roaming Tasty Soul.
Yep.
16, we're all super low on sanity. Just be super attentive to those lasers. Ready to look away now. Keep pushing, guys. We got it. We got it.
You throw it
It's
in.
happening.
Have you gotten in?
This is a weird situation, so I don't know. I don't think so, honestly.
Just don't know if you have your hammer
Just
in there.
focus on it.
This
Just
is
don't
weird,
do it.
I don't know.
Don't you just right click it?
It's not that simple, I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Or,
Well, are we wiping or are we...
yeah, are we killing it or what?
Hold on.
Wait, are we
No.
talking about for Val'anyr? He has
Yeah.
into the Maws, so he should, or in the Maws of the Old God, so I think he's good.
Get
Regardless.
Stanley down. Stanley down.
Yeah, kill me. I turned. Sorry.
Oh, we have a
Tell
lot
me,
of people turning here. You guys can't be...
Fuck! I have aggro on
Just
the
kill it.
ad.
It's fine. If I got it, I got it. I've done it 3 times now, so I don't know if it resets or not, or what's lets me keep doing it.
I'm pretty sure you're good, bro. You have the Maws of the old gods, so you just loot the
Okay,
quest.
everybody, we gotta be on the ads. Kick that drain life. Stack the ads back up near Yogg. Everyone is on ads. Cleave now. We have too many. Get them all down. We're gonna swap to Yogg.
I'll get the next interrupt.
Easy kill, guys. It's 5%.
Add
Get that
Kill
ad.
boss, kill boss.
Wait for the next laser, and then everyone focus the boss. Turn.
another.
Every single person on the boss right now. Go.
War mastery.
Got it.
Laser's coming. Be ready for it.
Turn soon. If you're low, turn now.
Turn. Everybody right back on the boss. Right now. Go. Good.
Nice. Good.
Nice. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it?
Oh my god, fragment?
I got
You
it.
got it!
Yeah, let's go. Sorry about that, guys. This was weird. It wasn't like updating right, and I wasn't sure.
Rats!
Dark Age.
Oh, the blood bits.
I just have to go turn it in at the terminal if you guys want to come.
Rats north.
Rats
Let's
north.
do
Yeah,
loot, and then
yeah.
we'll
We'll all go together.
mm-hmm.
Big rats, dude.
Yeah, that's fucking huge.
You're like, are we good or not? I'm like, dude, honestly, I don't know.
Well, we're trying to kill the boss
I
here,
know,
so you
I'm
better
like-
figure it out.
I'm like, I was doing it on like every single one just to be sure. I was like, do
Yeah,
we
as
need to
long
do
as,
it
as
before
soon
the
as you
cast,
see that
after the
debuff
cast?
on them, you're good. I'm pretty sure.
we're going
Thank you for
to-
saying that. So I wasn't sure.
Yeah, I heard someone call wipe, and I was like, no, please don't wipe.
Please don't.
Like, we got it. We're good.
Where are we going?
Antechambers by ice behind Iron Council.
Because my quest log doesn't update until I
Yeah.
loot the thing off the boss.
You were just chucking it like 7 times.
Literally every single time there was one, I chucked it.
Imagine you got a Val'anyr for every single one.
Chucking
About
it. Yeah,
3.
just 4 of them. All right, pass them out. Trade north. Who wants one?
Yeah.
Well, what's this Algalon going to be looking for with his diagnostics? What are our chances?
Algalon Diagnostics assess
Waiting
danger of
input.
systemic old guard corruption in planetary vital functions.
Alright, I'm just gonna go. This is gonna
Watcher
take forever.
Nimmerron's sigil is linked to a self-destruct mechanism connected to the entirety
Okay, there's no
of the
RP.
corridors of ingenuity.
Yay!
Trigger for a self-destruct
See
mechanism
that
is
bad boy?
codenamed Big Red Button.
Ooh.
Nimmerron's
Look at
own
it.
creation.
Yo, grats, dude. That's fucking awesome.
Man, it's not even enchanted.
Initiate self-destruct.
Oh, yeah, look at
Yeah, what the fuck? It's not even in
Yeah,
chat.
where's your
Man,
enchant,
look,
man?
Yeah, look at this
Oh,
shit.
enchant. Wow.
Wow. Yeah, what a
Wow.
waste.
Right here.
Somebody kick him.
Can't believe we gave this guy Val'anyr. He doesn't even enchant it.
It looks really nice with that shield, though.
It does. Matches.
It's got
Damn,
the
I thought that
internal
would-
proc on it.
I figured your eye level would be higher after you put it on.
It's not that much higher than a hard mode item,
No, now that I look at it.
but just the
Yeah.
proc is fucking stupid good.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Yeah, that
Didn't
proc.
proc a socket.
Okay.
Delete it.
That is.
Yeah,
More
every 30
visual
seconds.
clutter.
Every 30 seconds it activates.
The bubbles
Hey,
are so
Nort.
cool
Yes,
looking.
15 second duration and a 45-second cooldown.
You
Those
let me
bubbles
know
like
if you want to
that
start
are-
PvPing.
You got it, right? You got a legendary. It's like a requirement.
It's super broken in PvP. Hey Thor, you're gonna need a new computer with those shields.
Oh god, yeah.
I know, man.
It might blow you
It's
up.
over.
I swear if this is a Stone Art portal. Okay.
Somebody get him stonered.
Looking good north.
Thank you.
You sexy.